Hi, I'm Kerry Kempton and I work for New South Wales Department of Primary Industries, and I've been working with the Dairy Australia Farm Business Management team to develop some resources around analysing dairy farms and using DairyBase. DairyBase is a really valuable tool for analysing a business, but to get the most out of it, you need to get your information organised beforehand into the right format. To demonstrate how to do this, we're using a case study farm that's been developed for the Dairy Business Analysis course. You can find all the information about the case study on the website where you found these videos, and you can download that information and see how we've organised it into the input sheets before we've started. Then the videos will show you how to enter the data, physical data, the financial data, and then how to generate a report. So hopefully that will improve your understanding about using DairyBase and give you a bit more confidence to have a go. Thanks.